In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header on second page WPS Office Writers. When working on documents, it's common for a header added to the first page to automatically appear on subsequent pages. However, there are times when you want a header on the first page only without it showing on the following pages. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve that in WPS Office Writers in a few simple steps. Start by opening your document and navigating to the first page. Locate the header area at the top of the page and double-tap it. This action will open the header section, allowing you to edit its contents. Once the header is active, you will notice that a new tab called Header and Footer appears at the top of your screen. This tab contains all the tools you need to manage headers and footers for your document. Within the Header and Footer tab, look for the Header and Footer options. Tap on this option to reveal additional settings. One of the key settings here is labeled Different First Page. Enable this option by placing a check mark in the box. By doing this, WPS Office will treat the first page's header differently from the rest of the document. After checking the box, tap OK to apply the changes. Once this setting is enabled, you can type anything you like in the header of the first page. The content you enter will remain exclusive to the first page and will not carry over to the second page or any following pages. This allows you to create a clean, professional-looking document with a unique header for the first page only, while keeping the rest of the pages free from repeated headers. This method is especially useful for formal documents such as reports, essays, and letters, where the first page often contains special information like titles or author details. It ensures that your document maintains a polished look without unnecessary repetition of headers on subsequent pages. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.